Hello, everyone, and welcome back to your English Friend channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, everyone. I'm Paul. Hello, Emily.
Hi, Paul, and hello to all our amazing friends out there watching us. It's so great to see you again.
It really is. I feel wonderful today, Emily. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. I had a nice breakfast and a calm morning walk. I'm full of energy and ready to teach.
That's perfect because today's topic is one of my absolute favorites.
Same here. Today, we're going to learn something that everyone who studies English really needs to know.
Exactly. Today's lesson is how to start a conversation in English.
That's right. You know, Paul, a lot of students tell me they can understand English. They can read it. But when they meet someone new, they don't know how to start talking.
Oh, yes, that's a very common problem. People feel shy, nervous, or they think their English isn't good enough.
Yes, but here's the truth. You don't need perfect English to start a conversation. You only need a few friendly words and a smile.
Exactly. English conversations are not about big grammar or long sentences. They're about connection, simple, kind, friendly words.
I love that. Connection over perfection. That's our rule for today.
That's a good one, Emily. So, today we'll show you step by step how to start a simple, friendly conversation in English.
And we'll also listen to examples, practice together, and learn the small magic phrases that make your English sound natural and confident.
Perfect. Before we start, a quick reminder. If you like our lessons, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who are learning English too. Let's grow together.
All right, Emily, let's talk about why starting a conversation is so important.
Good point. When you start a conversation, you open the door to friendship, learning, and opportunities.
Exactly. Maybe you meet someone at work, in school, or online. If you can say just a few friendly words, that's enough to start something great.
Right? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave. Even small talk can help you improve your English.
Yes, and the good news is, starting a conversation is easier than you think. It always begins with a greeting.
The first step in every conversation is a greeting. It's the simplest and most important part.
Absolutely. You can't start talking without saying hello first.
Yes, the most common ones are hello, hi, and hey.
They're short, friendly, and easy to say. The secret is not the word, it's the tone.
That's right. Say it with a smile when you say hi there with a happy voice. It already feels warm and welcoming.
Exactly. Even if you say just hello, but with a kind smile, it feels friendly.
Let's practice a few. Repeat after us. Hello, hi, hi there, hey.
Very nice. You can use hi there when you want to sound especially warm or casual.
And you can also add the person's name if you know it, like hi, Paul, or hello, Emily.
Yes, using someone's name makes it feel personal. People love hearing their name in conversation.
So, after saying hello, what's next?
Usually, we ask a small question like, "How are you?" or "How's it going?"
Exactly, these questions are super common. They don't need a long answer, just something friendly.
Yes, for example, "How are you?" "I'm good, thanks." "How about you?"
Perfect. And remember, the most important thing is to ask back.
Oh, yes. If someone asks, "How are you?" you should say, "I'm fine, thanks. How about you?"
That's right. It keeps the conversation going. I like to think of it like a game of catch. You throw the ball, and they throw it back.
Exactly. If you don't ask back, the ball just falls on the ground, and the conversation stops.
That's such a fun way to think about it, Paul. So, remember everyone. Always ask back.
Now, when you're talking to someone new, it's nice to tell them your name.
Yes, it's polite and friendly. You can say, I'm Emily, or my name's Emily,
And the other person might say, nice to meet you.
and you can answer, nice to meet you too.
There's also a more formal version. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Yes, that sounds polite and kind, but for everyday English, nice to meet you is perfect.
Let's do a small example for our viewers.
Sure,
Hi there. I'm David. Nice to meet you, David. I'm Maria.
perfect, short, natural, and easy.
After introductions, the next simple question is, where are you from?
Yes, it's a great question because everyone can answer it. And it helps you learn more about the other person.
For example, I'm from Brazil. And you?
That's my favorite part. Always at and you. It's polite and keeps the talk alive.
Exactly. Here's a little example. Where are you from? I'm from Spain. And you? I'm from Canada.
Then you can react naturally. Wow, Canada. That's amazing. Or oh, I've always wanted to visit Spain.
Reactions are very important. They show emotion and interest. You can say, really? That's great. Oh, nice. Or, that sounds wonderful.
And these short reactions make your English sound real and friendly.
Once you know the person's name and where they're from, you can ask about what they do.
Yes. A simple question like, what do you do? That means what's your job?
Exactly. Most people love talking about their work or what they study. So, what do you do? I'm a teacher. I teach English. What about you? I'm an engineer. See? Simple, clear, friendly.
And you can add small comments to make it more interesting, like, that sounds fun, or that sounds difficult.
Yes, that sounds is one of my favorite phrases. It shows you're listening.
For example, I'm a doctor. Wow, that sounds important. Or I work in a bakery. That sounds delicious.
Haha, I like that one.
Asterisk, when the conversation is going well, you can move to hobbies. It's one of the easiest and happiest topics.
Oh, yes. You can ask, what do you like to do in your free time? Or, do you have any hobbies?
Most people enjoy talking about what they love to do. For example, I like to travel. I love cooking. I enjoy playing football.
Exactly. And then you can answer, oh, really? That sounds great.
It's fun and keeps the energy positive.
You can also share something about yourself. For example, I enjoy hiking and photography.
That's lovely, Paul. And I could say, wow, that sounds like fun.
See how natural that feels? It's all about small, happy reactions.
All right, now let's talk about something people forget, ending the conversation politely.
Oh, yes, that's important too. When you want to finish the chat, don't just walk away.
Yes, you can say, it was nice talking to you, or it was great meeting you.
Or, hope to see you again. These are warm ways to say goodbye.
Let's do one example. It was nice talking to you. You too. Have a great day.
Perfect, short and polite.
And always end with a smile.
Okay, everyone. Now let's listen to a full, short conversation using everything we learned.
Yes, let's imagine Maria and David meeting for the first time.
Here we go. Hi there. Hello, how's it going? It's going well, thanks. How about you? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm David, by the way. Nice to meet you, David. I'm Maria. A pleasure to meet you too, Maria. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. And you, David? I'm from Australia. Wow, Australia. That's amazing. I've always wanted to visit. You should. It's a beautiful country. So, what do you do, Maria? I'm a teacher. I teach Portuguese. What about you? I'm an engineer. An engineer. That sounds challenging. Do you enjoy your work? Yes, very much. It's always something new. That's great to hear. So, what do you like to do in your free time? I love to travel and cook. And you? I enjoy hiking and photography. That sounds like a lot of fun. It is. Well, it was a pleasure talking with you, Maria. You too, David. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.
What a friendly conversation.
Yes. Did you notice how natural it sounded? Every line was short, polite, and friendly.
Exactly. That's what we call simple English magic. Let's look at what made that conversation great.
First, they started with greetings. Hi there and hello.
Then, they used how's it going and how about you to keep it flowing.
They introduced themselves politely. I'm David, by the way. And nice to meet you.
They asked about where they're from, their jobs, and their hobbies.
And they ended it nicely. It was a pleasure talking with you.
Yes, all small, easy steps that anyone can follow.
Okay, time for a quick recap.
Here are today's magic phrases. Hello. Hi there. How's it going? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm your name. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? That's amazing. What do you do? That sounds interesting. What do you like to do in your free time? That sounds fun. It was nice talking to you.
Practice these every day. You can even record yourself speaking them slowly and clearly.
And remember, don't be afraid to start small. A little hello can make a big difference.
Yes, the first step to fluency is simply starting.
That was an amazing first lesson. I think our learners will really enjoy practicing this one.
I agree. Remember, everyone, confidence comes from practice.
Even a short conversation can help you feel stronger and more comfortable in English.
Exactly. And if you make mistakes, it's okay. That's how you learn.
Yes, don't wait for perfect English. Just start talking.
Before we go, we have a small question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, how do you usually start a conversation in English?
We'd love to read your answers and maybe use them in our next video.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
We'll see you in part 2, where we'll learn how to keep a conversation going, with more natural expressions and fun examples.
Until then, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy learning.